Are you already tired of the false promises of making money online? Maybe you've already tried multiple things: surveys, dropshipping, affiliate programs, crypto, you name it, and nothing seems to work. You're not alone. Millions of people are searching for legitimate ways to earn money online, but most of what they find are hype, scams, or unrealistic shortcuts. That's why this video is different. This isn't about chasing the next get-rich-quick scheme. This is about saving you time and money by showing you what really works. I'm a financial expert with over 10 years of experience in the corporate world, and I'm also a certified public accountant. I've spent my career analyzing financial models, advising clients, and testing real online income strategies myself. Today, I'm going to share with you the methods that actually generate money online, methods that I know from experience work. And trust me, you want to stay until the very end, because I'll share the most interesting strategy of all, the one that completely changed how I think about online income. Before we dive in, let me explain why I'm talking about this. Over the years, I've seen two extremes. 1. People who completely dismiss making money online as a scam. 2. People who jump into everything they see online, only to end up broke and frustrated. The truth lies somewhere in between. Making money online is absolutely possible. In fact, it's one of the most powerful opportunities of our time. But here's the key: it requires strategy, patience, and consistency. When I started exploring online income streams, I made a lot of mistakes. I tried things that didn't work. I wasted money on programs that promised 6 figures in 30 days. But I also discovered systems and approaches that really do work when you treat them like a real business. That's the perspective I bring today, a financial expert who's seen both sides, the scams and the successes, and who knows how to separate fantasy from reality. Why most people fail online? So, let's start here. Why do most people fail at making money online? I've identified 3 main reasons. 1. Chasing easy money. We live in a world of instant gratification. When people hear make money online, they think of quick cash, easy profits, or overnight success. That's why clickbait titles like $10,000 a week from home are everywhere. The problem? They create false expectations. Online income is real, but it's really fast. Just like starting a business in the real world, it takes time to build something sustainable. 2. Falling for scams. I've seen too many people, clients, colleagues, even friends, fall for scams. From multi-level marketing disguised as online opportunities to fake coaching programs, these traps cost people thousands of dollars. I even got burned once in my early days. I paid for a so-called training system that promised to teach me affiliate marketing. What I got was a recycled PDF filled with vague advice. Lesson learned: if it sounds too good to be true, it usually is. 3. Lack of consistency. This is the killer. Even when people find a legitimate method, they give up too soon. They try blogging for 2 months, don't see results, and quit. They start a YouTube channel, upload 3 videos, and stop. They start freelancing, get rejected twice, and move on. The reality is, online income compounds over time. The people who succeed are the ones who stay consistent for 6 to 12 months, not the ones who chase instant results. So, if you want to succeed, the first step is to avoid these pitfalls, stop chasing shortcuts, don't fall for scams, and commit to consistency. Proven ways to make money online. Now let's talk about what actually works. In my experience, there are 6 proven ways to make money online. These aren't theories, I've either done them myself or advised clients who succeeded with them. 1. Freelancing and skill monetization. This is one of the fastest ways to start earning online if you already have a skill. Platforms like Upwork, Fiverr, and TopDeal connect freelancers with clients all over the world. I had a client who was a graphic designer struggling to find work locally. Within 6 months of freelancing online, she built a steady stream of clients paying her $1,500 to $2,000 per month. The work wasn't glamorous at first, logo designs, simple projects, but it built her portfolio and reputation. The beauty of freelancing is that it doesn't require upfront investment. All you need is a skill people are willing to pay for: writing, design, coding, video editing, accounting, you name it. The trick is to treat it like a real business, create a strong profile, deliver quality work, and ask for reviews. Over time, your reputation compounds, and you can charge higher rates. 2. Content creation, YouTube, blogging, podcasting. This is the one that scares people because it takes time, but it's also the most rewarding. Content is an asset. Every video, blog post, or podcast episode you publish is something that can generate income for years. I know this firsthand. When I launched my first finance blog, it made $0 for the first 6 months. By month 12, it was generating $500 per month from ads and affiliate links. By month 24, it was over $2,000 a month, just from content I had already published. On YouTube, the story is even more powerful. I've seen small channels grow into 6-figure businesses, not from viral hits, but from consistent, valuable content. Monetization comes from ads, sponsorships, and affiliate links. The key: focus on value, not virality. Solve problems, answer questions, and create content people actually search for. 3. Affiliate marketing. Affiliate marketing is often hyped as passive income, but let me give you the real picture. It's not passive at first. You need to build trust and traffic before you make money. Here's how it works. You recommend a product, someone clicks your link, and you earn a commission. Amazon Associates is the classic example, but digital products often pay much higher commissions. I remember when I first started affiliate marketing, I promoted a finance book I loved on my blog. The commission was only a few dollars per sale, but it added up. Later, I partnered with a software company that paid recurring commissions. That one partnership generated thousands over the years. The secret: don't spam links. Build trust with your audience by recommending products you actually use and believe in. 4. E-commerce and dropshipping, the real picture. Now, let's talk about one of the most popular and misunderstood ways to make money online: e-commerce and dropshipping. If you've ever searched how to make money online, chances are you've seen ads about dropshipping. Start your own store in 24 hours and make $10,000 a week. Sounds amazing, right? The reality is a little different. Yes, e-commerce is a powerful way to make money, but it's not as simple as copying products from AliExpress and waiting for sales. Most people fail because they underestimate the competition, overpay for ads, and sell products without real value. But when done right, e-commerce can be life-changing. I worked with a client who created a niche store around eco-friendly kitchen products. Instead of selling random items, she focused on building a brand. Within 2 years, she went from $500 a month in sales to over $20,000 per month, because she built trust with her audience, not just a store. If you're thinking about e-commerce, here's my advice: don't sell what everyone else is selling. Find a niche. Focus on branding, not just products. Be ready to invest in marketing and customer service. Dropshipping can still work, but it's not easy money. If you treat it like a real business, research, branding, customer support, it can absolutely generate serious income. 5. Online courses and digital products. This is one of my personal favorites, and it's something I've used myself. Selling digital products, like ebooks, templates, and online courses, can be one of the most scalable ways to make money online. Why? Because once you create a product, you can sell it an unlimited number of times without extra effort. That's the magic of digital assets. For example, as a certified public accountant, I created a simple online course about budgeting and financial planning. It took me a few weeks to build. Once it was ready, I listed it on a course platform and promoted it through my blog. That course went on to make me passive income for years, sometimes hundreds of dollars a month, without any extra work after the initial setup. But it doesn't have to be finance. If you're good at cooking, you can sell a recipe book. If you know photography, you can sell presets or a guide. If you're skilled in design, you can sell templates. The key to success here is solving a problem or teaching a skill that people really want. Step 1. Identify a problem or question your audience has. Step 2. Create a simple, clear product that solves it. Step 3. Market it through your content or social media. I've seen people generate $50,000 plus a year just from a single online course. That's the power of digital products. 6. Remote consulting, coaching. This is another underutilized but powerful method, consulting and coaching. Here's the truth, almost everyone watching this has knowledge that others are willing to pay for. It doesn't matter if you're an accountant, a marketer, a teacher, or even just someone who's mastered a specific skill, you can turn that into a consulting or coaching business. I personally do consulting for small businesses and individuals who want financial advice. Thanks to Zoom and LinkedIn, I've been able to work with clients not just in my city, but across the world. And many of those sessions pay far more per hour than any traditional job ever did. One of my colleagues turned her background in HR into a coaching business for job seekers. She started charging $50 for resume reviews, then expanded into full coaching packages. Today, she makes a full-time income entirely online. The advantage of consulting and coaching is that you don't need fancy tools or upfront costs. You just need your expertise, a way to connect with clients, and a system to deliver results. Pro tip: start small. Offer a free session to get testimonials. Build your reputation. Then scale your rates as demand grows. We've covered a lot today, from freelancing and content creation to affiliate marketing, e-commerce, digital products, and consulting. And I shared with you the most important truth. Success online isn't about chasing hacks, it's about building systems, staying consistent, and treating it like a real business. Now, here's the question for you. Which of these strategies do you want to start with? Because the real power isn't in watching this video, it's in taking action. If you found value here, 1. Hit the subscribe button and turn on notifications so you don't miss my next video, where I'll dive even deeper into specific strategies. 2. Leave a comment below and tell me which online income method you want to try, or which one you've already tested. I read every comment, and I might even make a future video answering your question. 3. Share this video with someone who's also been chasing ways to make money online. You might just save them time, money, and frustration. And remember, making money online is absolutely possible. But the secret is patience, consistency, and focusing on building real value. The earlier you start, the sooner compounding will work in your favor, not just with money, but with skills, reputation, and opportunity.